If you want to find the ID of any YouTube video or copy its URL to share with someone, then in this video, I will show you the step-by-step process. First, open YouTube and go to the video whose URL or ID you want to find. Open the video and you will see the share option. Click on it. After clicking, you will see the copy link option. Click on it, and the video link will be copied to your clipboard. Let me show you. When I paste the link here, you can see the video ID or URL in front of you. If you want to share the video directly with someone, tap on the Share option again and select any platform such as WhatsApp. Choose the contact you want to send the video to and share it directly. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.